Hi everyone, it's Walking from Motorola, and today we're unboxing something truly extraordinary, the Motorola Brilliant Collection. A blend of high-tech and high fashion. This special bundle includes the Motorola Razr 60 and Moto Buds Loop, dressed in shimmering Pantone Ice Melt finish and adorned with Swarovski crystals. A total of 35 on the phone, plus one 26 facet jewel on the hinge. A perfect mix of craftsmanship and innovation. The packaging itself feels luxurious, minimal branding, crisp white surface, and subtle metallic accents. Immediately you can sense this isn't your average tech unboxing. Here it is, the Razr 60 in Ice Melt. Look at that quilted back, notice the 35 hand-set Swarovski crystals and that gem on the hinge shimmering at every angle. Now let's unbox the Moto Buds Loop, designed to be seen as much as they are meant to be heard. The same ice melt hue and crystal lattice gives them this jewelry-like presence. These are open ear buds tuned by Bose, designed for comfort, awareness of your surroundings and long wear. Wrapping it all up, this premium matching crossbody case, crafted to complement the aesthetic and protect the gear when you're on the go. Smart luxury at every level. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the Motorola Brilliant Collection. If you enjoyed the sparkle, please hit that like button and let us know how you would carry your crystals with you.
Hello, Moto.